boys and girls. Today you see me down there on your screen because I want to show you something. Yesterday I bought some ladybugs and this is what I received. I thought we should have some ladybugs to help Mrs. Madden protect her sunflowers. So I got a ladybug land and you see it on your screen in the middle. And I'll show you what I filmed last night, what it looked like. So watch. Hi boys and girls, so here's the ladybug land, the habitat that came with when I ordered the ladybugs. I'm going to go really close and I want you to just observe. It does not really look like a ladybug to me, does it? There's one right there, crawling on the dome. I thought ladybugs are more round. Sure are walking around in there. There it says Ladybug Land. Now these little yellow things on the bottom, they came with it and it said that's their food. Now I know they eat aphids, but it says I'm supposed to put that in the ladybug land so they can eat those. Until they're ready, it said. Did you see them? They don't really look like ladybugs, do they? I didn't think so either. So I think we need to do some more research. Maybe they're ladybug babies? I don't know. So I pulled this book out again and I was going to read it and see if I can learn more about ladybugs and see what it is that we actually have in our ladybug land. Ladybugs, red, fiery, and bright. Little round beetles with red coats and black spots crawl through the gardens and trees and on flower pots. They're ladybugs. So that's where they live, in gardens and trees and on flowers. That is their habitat. A crawling ladybug tickles your arm, but this little insect will cause you no harm. And here's the page we read yesterday about their diet. They are busy searching for food to eat. Tiny green insects called aphids taste sweet. And yesterday we learned that they have an enormous appetite and that aphids are harmful insects and that ladybugs actually do a good thing when they eat those aphids. When a female ladybug has eggs to be laid, she finds a safe place on a leaf in the shade. Eggs. So ladybugs lay eggs. But what we saw in our ladybug land, those weren't eggs. But it looks like ladybugs lay eggs on leaves right here. In 5 days, the yellow eggs will turn white. The hatching day is now within sight. So something is going to hatch from the ladybug eggs. Tiny creatures climb out from creamy white eggs. They have hairy gray bodies and long, skinny legs. They are called larvae. Say larvae. Look at that. That's what it looked like, what we have in our ladybug land. So what we have in our ladybug land are the larvae that crawled out of the eggs. Hungry larvae search for food right away. They can eat 100 aphids a day. Whoa! Adults can eat 50. Larvae can eat 100. And here you go. Down here you can see one eating an aphid right there. Now wait a second. I'm going to put this book away. Are we still talking about their diet right now when we talk about eggs and larvae? You're right. We're now learning about their life cycle. What I want you to do right now, we need to take notes. So pause the video and then go and get yourself some paper and a pen to write with so that we can write about the life cycle of ladybugs. Go pause the video. I'll see you in a moment. Do you have your paper? Do you have your pen? Okay, let's take notes. On the top, we're going to write life cycle. Are you ready? Life cycle. L-I-F-E-C-Y-C-L. Life cycle. And I just noticed that you are seeing it backwards. So I'm going to try my best to write it backwards for you so that you can take your notes with me. Now let's look back at our book. On the page before this, we learned that ladybugs lay eggs. Say eggs. Now take out your notes. I'm going to try my best. Let's write eggs. E G G S. Eggs. And now we need to draw the eggs. We learned that the ladybug lays the egg on the leaves. So let's draw a leaf. And there are the eggs. Now we need to draw the next stage. Let's go back to our book. They lay eggs, and after 5 days, what hatches? Yes, the larvae. So we need to draw the larvae, and what we had in our ladybug habitat was also the larvae. They have long bodies. They have 1, 2, 3 legs on one side, and probably 3 more legs on the other side. It looks like they're black with some hair on them, and they have some yellow spots. But first, let's write larvae. I'm going to draw the arrow going to the side, like that. Let's write larvae. L-A-R-V-A-E. Larvae. Now let's draw the larvae. I'm just going to draw a long body. Looks like they had a head with some jaws where they can eat the aphids. We said they have 6 legs, 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now when I look back at my book, it looks like there's kind of a line in the middle. So I'm going to draw a line in the middle. And then there were some yellow lines, almost like bees. And then they had hair. I'm going to draw some hair. There is the larvae. Now, we're going to stop here for today with our life cycle learning and our information. Today in your writing, I don't want you to write about the life cycle yet. Today in your writing, I want you to write about what you observed in our ladybug habitat. You will write, I observed, Write 2 sentences, so think in your brain, what did you see? And if you need to rewind the video and watch it again, go ahead. Think, I observed. Take out your microphone or whisper into your microphone. I observed the larvae crawling in the ladybug land. They were black and yellow and had 6 legs. Put your microphone away. Pause the video and have a conversation with someone and tell them what you observed, and maybe they can tell you what they observed. Welcome back. Now, I want you to go and write about what you observed in our ladybug land today. What did you see? We already know they were larvae. Go ahead and write 2 to 3 sentences, then draw a picture, label, take a photograph, and email it to Mrs. Madden or Miss Potter. Okay, boys and girls, I love you. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.